All right, so take a break. Bring those back around and put them on top for me. And I want to see, can you pull this up just a little bit? I want to see what that is looking like. So you can let this relax. So what are they doing? You said you've always had this swelling?
Oh, yeah.
How are they managing it? Is anybody doing anything for it?
No.
Okay.
Now at night, it'll go down.
Okay.
And of course, I talked to Worms
Yeah.
a number of times. He says, I asked him if I could,
Yeah.
He said, just lay off the salt.
Okay. What's that bruise from?
Well, I had to fall, see, and I got a bruise there on the side. I got one down there on the lower part.
Okay. Does it hurt at all when I give you that pressure? Okay.